Storytime with Teacher Paul, Level 1, Book 7, Nick's Nature Walk. Let's begin.
Hi, I'm Nick and I love nature. Let's go for a walk and I'll show you all the nature along the way. Every day I go for a walk. I walk through fields. I walk past big mountains. I walk by a river. I walk through this forest. I walk by this beautiful lake. I walk on the beach next to the sea. Sometimes my friend and I have a picnic in a field. We can look into the sky and see nature there too. In the day sky we can see clouds, the sun, and a rainbow. In the night sky we can see stars and the moon. I really love nature. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Visit www.tutorukabc.com for more fun learning material.